Hello, out at the farm. Dad has a broken log splitter that he wants us to fix today. So I'm gonna help and see how that works. Oh! Just that piece right there fell over. This one. Got it?
Go ahead. Hey, don't lose all those bolts.
It's not falling.
Right.
Oh.
Let's get these out of here first.
Yeah, they're gonna fall off.
Yeah. Is it heavy?
It's heavy.
Can you do it? Is it really heavy?
That's probably not enough. Line it up. I'm gonna pick it up. This is gonna be, hopefully fits right on there. We're in deep trouble.
Gosh.
Now you gotta clean it. See here, look. Your
It's
thread
turning.
is shooting off towards Rick by a mile. Angle it.
It is angled.
You're way off angled.
Like it needs to tilt toward Rick a little bit. There you go.
Like about 6 inches.
You got it? Yeah, try turning it right there.
Try that. That looks pretty straight up and down.
Still not angled.
Good now, though, right?
It is?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
good?
it's
Yeah,
lined
take it
up.
As
down.
Yeah,
long as you can turn it, that's wonderful.
it's lined up.
That's good news.
From down here, I could see that he needed to tilt toward
That'll
Rick.
save the day.
How far?
This is wonderful. I didn't expect it to go that easy.
Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Now what?
Now you lean it back this way so that this will go over the beam and that'll slide in under and settle on that. Slide in through
This is gonna be on the bottom?
No, tighten it up. We'll
Go all the way around again. Hold this. That's as far as it goes right here.
we'll make it go farther when we get it laid down.
Can you push any farther? No.
Yeah, where's the video from taking it apart? Hook it on that right there.
Yeah.
Like that. Good. So I think I can twist it farther once this is hooked onto the beam and laying flat. Then I can put a longer bar in here.
Can you get it? How far does it go? Are you against this?
Weird. Maybe should it have come in from this side and then it comes underneath? There you go. You got it.
Now which one goes on which? Who's got the video? Oh, they're different sizes. Lucky you.
Keep going.
Anything you're doing mechanical requires overwhelming force.
Oh boy.
That's another day.
Never assume fingertips will do anything.
I'm gonna slide it past there and see if it will work.
I'm waiting for that very thing. Excellent idea.
You will be going this direction.
Wait. Okay, Tim, bring it on. Very good. Hard work is done.
Something go through that? That go in there?
That's where the pin, he's doing the pin.
Okay. I don't know. I know nothing.
You just figured it out.
you can.
It's a pretty simple thing. It's just, you know, 3 old men trying to figure out how to lift this heavy device into place.
Right? That was heavy. I don't think I could have been of any help to that. For that. I need to be lifted. I need to be lifting some weights because I have no strength when it comes to my arms. I could barely lift the tubs yesterday to help.
That's your new YouTube.
Krista lifts. Krista lifts. Ugh. Ooh, smooth. Oh yeah, will it not go in that
It'll
way?
be fun hammering that through. We got big sledgehammer.
It's as far back as it goes.
Go back about 2 inches.
Huh, that's weird. But we're on the lip right now.
That's because the cylinder needs extended. How do we do that? Oh, can you lift it up? Has to set up on top of the.
Is this on top?
Oh gosh.
Pinned in here now. You gotta go back. Go grab the crowbar.
Behind me, right here. Yeah. There you go. It's at least out of that. Oh.
Twist it left and right, Tim.
Two.
Can't do gymnastics.
He's got a bad back too. There you go.
This way.
Something's
Yes.
stuck somewhere. Oh, there you go.
There goes.
That's close. Looks pretty lined up. How do you know which one goes on top and which
One
one?
big and one small.
Oh, okay.
I want to be sure we can get him on.
Get them both out of the way.
Crusty.
Yeah.
Crusty hoses. Like that.
Oh, there it is.
Didn't even need the big sled.
Equal on both sides.
I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Nice.
Need a wrench? Probably.
Yeah, probably.
Got a crescent?
What are you thinking? What size? Eyeball.
Inch in there.
He's calling inch and a half.
Let the pro do it. He knows his tools.
Test them out.
We're just novices. We don't know our tools. Are you right?
1 inchy. This was probably not going to fit on the little one.
See if you can get the little one on there.
Oh my goodness.
I couldn't get it
7/8 first try.
Nice. Go like this. Which way do I do it? Left or right?
Other way. Righty tighty.
Oh, okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay.
Your dad needs to teach you how to use his tools.
You what? Whoops, I'm not lining it up very good. See, I said I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it's getting tight. Okay. Whoops. Okay, there. How tight does it have to be?
Till it stops and then a little bit further.
Okay. I think it's pretty tight. Somebody
Rick will check your work.
check my work.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, check that. I think it probably will go tighter than that because I'm weak. Okay. He just made it really tight and I was like, oh.
Make sure you hit it with the tool. You just got to hit it till it looks like you're doing something important.
You're testing
Yep, that's
it.
good right there.
Okay.
Of course, this old hungry is going to break.
You got to wrestle it.
Here, I'll stick it in there. I was trying to assist.
Rick, get out of my shot.
Did you get it?
No.
Not yet. Yes, doesn't want to catch.
Look at the magic.
Look at the splendor.
Nice. Got it.
Blessed thunder, it's working.
How many of us does it take to screw that thing
Right,
in?
got it. All of us.
Let me strip it out.
The whole family.
Now, did you put anything on there to keep it from leaking?
Nope.
Wait a minute. Gotta put that back together.
Now what?
Over this.
Like a cover?
There's screws that go in those holes to hold the pin in place.
Oh, okay.
Oh
We
no.
have a big gear thing.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Where is that supposed to go?
That goes on here, in between these two where we screwed it up.
No!
Where?
No!
It goes where that bolt, where we screwed it onto the bolt. I don't think it's necessary. And that, I don't know. Remember the long bolts? That's why it's all bent
Yeah,
and
what
weird.
the purpose of that is, we can't put that on this. Oh, because we screwed this on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe they had that as a spacer.
Oh,
And that'll be a question for the old guy.
the old man.
I got the hole
Oh
on this side.
boy.
Need bolts for that?
Let's shove a bolt in there and see what happens.
You got some?
See if you can find a wrench
You're not
for
helpful.
that.
Ask your
For
daddy.
this?
I'm gonna guess half
Can't
inch.
even get mine out there.
16.
He says 960. He says he needs one for this tiny thing. Look, he just already knows.
Oh, they have like
that a
no
socket?
children.
He gave me these. And that. There it is. Official farm rags.
Farm
Nice.
uses the official rags.
Nice. Love it. I mean,
NASCAR official.
use what you gotta use. Did you get that screwed in there? Oh yeah.
Silence you.
Not you, I was talking about Tim. You got it.
Remember if it went this way?
I think it went like this.
I got this.
Doesn't have a,
Need a socket.
a little notch in it so it don't hit the pipes.
Well,
The matriarch of the family. Isn't that a fancy word? Matriarch. Then we have some children out there.
You better zip up a little.
She's doing the farm chic look today. Farm chic. That's amazing.
like a backbone and
Yeah. The spine.
It was there for a spacer, but it really didn't help.
I feel like I have to have the Amish buggy going away in every video.
get it back together.
Oh, yeah.
You need a different tool.
You're blown away. A bear! Oh no! She's got a lot of energy. Oh, there it is. Look at all that. Filling it up. No, it's on the ground. Whoops!
Going down pretty good.
Little spill. Oh, it is.
Recycling.
Is it gonna overflow?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's not going down very fast.
No, it's not.
It's not going down very fast, Dad.
It's fine.
Are you sure? Yeah, put that over it. Whoa! It is not going down. Something down in there? Oh, the air. Gotta release the air. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, that came from that?
Yeah, that little box or whatever. Up in there. Whoa! It does look like it's going down now.
I just put that there.
Good job. Good job for helping.
30 pounds.
She's strong. She probably could have lifted this thing. I could not.
Lifted this?
They lifted this thing.
Oh, I can lift
You probably could have. She's stronger than
that.
me.
Getting gains at Planet Fitness.
Getting gains.
Fitness.
how much you bench? Zero.
Zero.
Gains.
I don't bench.
Well, you have to have gloves, my son. Everything requires gloves.
Are you helping Grandma? You are? Oh, you're such a good helper. Mommy, what's that smell? We have turkey manure in the backyard.
The tighter of the two. That's the crystal one.
That's what I did. Except Rick tightened it up real good.
That's where it's gonna leak.
No! That's the best one. Let's see if my spot leaks. My spot's not leaking. Oh boy. Oh!
Oopsie.
What happened?
Here in the line.
It's stiff, I suppose.
Oh, whenever you do that.
Backwards on the piping.
Uh-oh.
Can you do that in the backwards? Sorry.
Oh, maybe.
Fittings are different.
I need to know if this hose is jumping or if this hose is jumping.
How do you figure that out? How do you know? Oh, okay. You can tell? How did you tell?
See it jump?
No, I didn't. Oh,
Change these two, Ken. Take a video.
I wonder if it'd be easier to change them there. Because that's where the mistake would have been made when we put it back together.
It must be interchangeable, or they wouldn't have got them back.
Yeah, because that's an adapter. Right? Am I looking at that right?
Looks like they put this adapter on top of
Yeah,
it.
this is an adapter, so it goes down the smaller side. All right, guess it, Rick. What do you think it is?
will it go psh, suddenly shoot out
We'll find out.
like air?
Stay tuned.
Does it have oil in it?
It's got, official shot towel and sock puppet.
Welcome to the farm.
Uh-oh, we got a leak.
We're leaking.
Oh, it is leaking.
7/8 is too big.
I don't remember which one I used.
Oh, I don't know. What do you think? A little too sloppy?
No, 7/8 is common for hydraulic fluid.
Oh, what is that?
Plumber's tape?
Get rid of that.
Oh.
It's dangerous. You know what that?
That's probably unnecessary to have on there.
Never use Teflon on hydraulic fitting.
What size, Rick?
Probably this one.
Should be 7/8.
That's a little loose.
Not too big.
It's bigger than 7/8. One more size.
15/16.
This one will probably explode all over you. I'm just kidding.
I get back really quickly.
It should. It probably
Found the
came out of
source of the problem. A solution is at hand. It's always good to use the 12 point on a brass fitting whenever you can. Or get the other fitting in while you got space to work around it.
That's why that one's curved like that. On the bottom.
Oh,
That's why it has that curve.
Whoops, there went some oil out of it. Huh,
It's called recycling.
there you go.
When you spill it.
Yeah,
It's fine.
why not?
Stretch it out, Rick. Fixing the combine next. This video is a two-parter.
All in one day.
Tedious.
Yeah, it's little steps.
Almost there.
Hook it up, Tim.
Putting on the glove. Love it. Is that the bottom one? That's the one that wouldn't go on before. You had a hard time really getting it to catch.
What's the problem?
The bottom one doesn't want to like catch. It doesn't want to thread.
Oh, it will. You pull it.
It's hard to get it.
Take this thing there. Now you'd have to get everything perfectly aligned.
Oh, and then turn it.
I can't
Maybe.
do it.
I know you can.
Takes
Maybe
3
Rick
hands.
can.
Yeah.
It's all oily. Who got it all oily?
Here
That's
you
why I
go.
got my glove on.
Move the hose so it.
Did it catch?
I think so. Yeah, it did.
Oh, good. Good. It worked. This is where the wood goes. I know that much. And it slices it right here.
Almost done. Again, fresh.
You watch it and see if anything comes out.
Let's see what happens.
I'm scared.
I think we're ready.
Okay.
Are we gonna leak?
No! Don't say that. Goes. Oh! Oh! It's moving! Still does a little bit. It didn't jump.
It doesn't like to go all the way back.
Yeah.
It goes back as far as that spacer.
Oh, yeah.
They had to push all the way in, but it goes as far as that spacer.
Ooh, it's nice and smooth though. Look at that. Woo!
What's the other line for?
Return. That's what pulls it back.
Oh,
This one wants to push it, so it has all the pressure. And this is just the bypass. Keeps running oil all the time.
Now you know, Internet.
probably they already know. I didn't know.
You gonna hop on there, Krista, and ride it?
What, on the back? Ride it like a horse.
You get very dirty.
Climb on there. Woo!
Slow down.
Woo! I think it's too windy for you to hear me. We're gonna go try to split a log. What do I do? Oh, it's working. This way. Ooh, this way. Why did I think to go back? Go back.
Underneath it, the air core. Is that from when it spilled earlier?
I think so. hands are all red because it's so cold. Okay, we got it running. Rick's doing all the work out there. Gotta go inside and get. It's too cold. It's so cold out, it's snowing.
You're lying.
No, I'm gonna zoom in and video it. There it is. I can see it on my camera.
Little bit of snow.
Little bit of snow.
Where? There's no Flying around.
That's why my hands were so
I see
cold.
it flying around out there.
Yep. Okay, heading home from the farm now. Got the log splitter all fixed. Tested it out a little bit. And it's working pretty good. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time.
Yeah, your camera.
Never.
There's gonna be editing. Get me out of all the shots.
No, you're not getting edited.
And that should be,
Ew! That was on. That was on the video.
McDonald's gloves.
McDonald's gloves?
Sponsor.
You're gonna blur mom's face too?
No.
Gonna blur my face?
I thought I was gonna blur Savannah's face. He said, are you gonna blur mom's face
a
too?
little bit of,
Get it, Rick. Get it.
Quiet you. I don't want my fart on there, so
It's on there.
make sure it's on there.
You want it on there?
Pretty good one.
You want it in the outtake section? Still working on it. Glug, 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 glug.
Rick doesn't like to speak on camera.
I know.
To have my stupid.
If you could blur him out and remove
Just
him
the whole
completely.
thing and make his
So it's
voice
just-
go.
So it's just a pair of gloves and a wrench moving, and there's no body
That's
there?
what I've got so far right now.
I want blurred face.
Blurred face.
Fully blurred.
You said you wanted your fart on there, so
Well,
I don't
yeah,
think
you gotta have
your
farts. That's the
face
funny
is
part.
going to be a big
Ambiance.
deal.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Go rename your channel to Rick Works.
No! One.
To watch his Rick work.
Krista watches.
Rick Works.